Hi, today we have Citroen C3 model with 1.4 petrol engine. I'm going to show you how to change the plastic flange behind the coolant pump. This is the plastic flange. There are two hoses and two bolts. This is the part number. So now I'm going to raise the vehicle. I'm going to drain the coolant. First I'm going to open the expansion tank so the whole coolant can be flushed. I have raised the vehicle. I have removed the hose, lower hose from the coolant radiator, and I have drained the coolant. So now I have to open the two metal brackets of the hoses. I remove the hoses and after that open the two bolts with 10mm wrench and remove the plastic flange. Now, because there is no possibility to remove the hose without removing the plastic pipe that is under the air filter, I have lowered the vehicle. I'm going to remove the air filter housing and I'm going to loosen the pipe so I can remove the hose from the plastic flange. There are two bolts with 10mm wrench that hold the plastic pipe. One you can see where is the ratchet installed. It's over there. The other one is here. I have already removed it. So when I remove the two bolts, I can pull the pipe on this side and I can disconnect the hose. And finally I have managed to remove the hose from the plastic flange. Now I'm going to raise the vehicle again. So I have pulled out the plastic flange because the metal bracket was on the top side of the hose. So now I can remove the metal bracket and disconnect and the other hose. And the plastic flange is finally removed. I have broke this piece when I was removing it. So now I'm going to install a new one. I have installed the plastic flange, tightened two bolts with 10mm wrench. I have installed the lower hose. Now I'm going to release the metal bracket. It's a very tight space for working. So now I'm going to lower the vehicle and push the plastic pipe to install the bigger hose into the plastic flange. I have installed the two bolts, one over here, the other one is behind. They are both with 10mm wrench. Now I'm going to install the plastic clips for the wires. So now I'm going to raise the vehicle again to install the metal bracket on the bigger hose. Everything is installed like it should, so now I'm going to lower the vehicle and refill with coolant. Before refilling with coolant, I have to open this plastic cap. It's very tightened, and also this bolt with 5mm hex wrench, so I can bleed the system to remove the air out from the system. Otherwise it's not going to be filled with coolant properly. When it starts to leak from the coolant from the bleeding holes, I'm returning the bolt and plastic cap. So now I can install the air filter housing, and I can start the engine and let it to warm up. I have installed the air filter housing. Now I can start the engine. I'm going to leave this cap open until the engine reaches normal working temperature and the thermostat opens. After that, if needed, I'm going to refill with more coolant and I'm going to close the cap. This means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.